So today we're going to go over how to draw Batman from here to here, and it's going to be the version from the Bruce Timm cartoon, which is a very, very popular version. And another thing about this version is it's incredibly easy to draw. Let me see my sweater here. See, my sweater has a bunch of art on it. Not my art, but anyways, that's it. Really simple stuff, and I'll go through the whole thing step by step for you. So let's hop right into the lesson. Okay, so let's kind of jump right into this. All right, first thing we're gonna do here is I'm gonna start with top of bat. Well, no, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna start with his eye. Line over here. Let's switch markers up, actually. Oh man, this marker's broken. Hold on. There you go. So right here for his far side eye. Line over here underneath. Curve up. Alright, that's one of his, that's his far side eye. It's basically a triangle. I'm gonna go over here, move over. I'm gonna start this eye. Line up. Down. And curve underneath. Alright. Gonna pull out. Gonna go over here. Pull up over here from that eye for the top of the head. Where my dog is, sorry. My dog was here a second ago. Pulling up for the forehead. And that's gonna roll into his ear, one of his ears, at least the far side ear, pulled down. Over here, curve for the top of the head. Over here, the front. Find the other ear, okay? That pointy ear. It's just gonna be like a long line up, triangle. And pull down over here. And that's gonna roll into the back of the head, right? Because that's kind of the way they designed it. So it's gonna roll into the back. Go over here. Pulling down toward the nose. Over here on this side, pulling up that direction. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification. I post every single day. I post 3 videos a day, so absolutely stick around. What it's going to do when you subscribe is it's going to let you know when I post. And also it's going to know what I post, okay? It's going to give you an actual like description, like, okay, this is what I'm posting. So stick around for that, okay? Like you'll just see it on your timeline, basically, like on what I'm posting. Pull down. It's gonna roll into the back of the jaw. Let me pull a little bit here. Some of the jaw coming in, but we're gonna go to the front of the face now. Over here, down. Down over here. Pulling back. Cool. Alright. Simple so far. Go over here underneath. Pull down here for the front of his neck. And then pulling back over here. Right on. I'm gonna go draw a straight line for the mouth because he is often not amused. And maybe like a line over here for the side of his face, you know, like the cheek. And if you really want, you can throw like an underline for the mouth over here, but you don't really have to. Okay, so let's move in from that into the kind of shine area. You can also, again, you don't have to do this part, but it would help if you throw like a curved line over here for the top. Maybe pull up over here. Curve line down forward here. Kind of throw a little bit of that shine that he has on the outfit. He has a little bit of a shine. And you can also do it over here, like it'll start forming over here on the side. I've seen that a ton in kind of Bruce Timm stuff. Let's okay, I'm gonna fill it in. All right, see, now that I pulled all that stuff out, I'm gonna fill in this center portion. You don't have to do this part. I'm gonna do this because normally I don't even recommend it, because it's gonna really kill your marker, because there's a lot of ink you have to put down. But I'm gonna do it for the drawing, for the lesson. Don't forget to hit the like button if you do. Definitely hit the like button for this, because I'm sacrificing my marker here. Absolutely hit that like. This channel lives on likes. This is literally what makes the channel survive, is the likes. I'm not kidding, because what it does is it helps the algorithm out when you like something. So if you liked other videos, go hit that like button on those as well. That will really, really help out the channel a lot. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Kind of keeping this community going. Line over here and over here, and now we got I think a much more solid Batman, even though we just filled it in, right? Batman's still not amused. Ugh. Not amused at all. You could even mess a little bit. You can always like alter stuff, like maybe move the mask down a little bit, but I wouldn't. I would keep it as so. I want to thank you very much for being around here, and I will see you in the very next video. Don't forget to stick around for the announcements. Actually, I'm sorry, I gotta fill in part of this back here. But stick around for the announcements. I'm gonna make after this. I'm gonna show you my full courses and how you can get involved in those in a minute here. So talk to you soon. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing. for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.